Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Akshit Gupta. So today I made a hand blender, as you can see, using the Avishkaar Robotics starter kit. So I'm going to show you how this works. So first of all, I'll switch on the robotics brain. Now it's switched on. Now this is this IR hand sensor. So I'll hold like this down anything like a shake, lassi or something. You can just blend it by putting your hand over here on the sensor. Now I'm going to tell you what I used in this. So I used one motor, two cables, one and here's two, a IR sensor, robotics brain, metallic parts, plastic parts, and some nuts and screws. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share my channel and hit the bell icon for getting more new videos. Thank you. Bye.